This problem says, number 7, a graphic artist needs to construct a design that uses a rectangle whose length is 6 centimeters longer than its width. So the length is equal to 6 plus the width. And they're using x for the width, and we're going to use L. We're going to use L for the length for now at least. It says construct a model that gives the perimeter. So let's draw it out just so we can visualize this. So the length is 6 more than the width, and the width is x. So here's your x, and this is 6 plus x. So what would the perimeter be? You can, well, the perimeter is walking around the entire thing, right? So it actually, your perimeter would actually be 2 of the x's plus 2 of the 6 plus x's. That makes sense?
Yeah.
And then simplifying this, you would get 2x plus 12 plus 2x. And what does that simplify to? 4x plus 12. There's your equation in terms of x. That's how you'd say that, in terms of x, in terms of the width. The perimeter is equal to 4 times the width plus 12. So it says if the perimeter is 40, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? Dimensions mean they want the length and the width. So you want L and X, or L and W.
You just plug it in.
Yep, so now we're just going to plug 40. It says the perimeter is 40. So which of these is perimeter? Is it P of X or X?
X.
Look at it carefully and think about what it says. Look at what I've circled up here.
Yeah, P of X.
Yeah, so X is the width and P of X is the perimeter. That's why it's good to always label your variables so you can go back and look at them. So the perimeter is 40, so we're at 40 equals 4x plus 12. And then we solve that equation. Subtract 12 from both sides, so that's 28 equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4. You get x equals 7. Now, are we done?
No.
Nope. 7 is the what?
The length.
Look at it carefully. X. 7 is your x, which is your width. Again, always look back at your problem, and that's why you label your problem. So 7 is your width, and what's your length going to be? Look at this, or look at the picture. Again, that's why we draw pictures. It helps us answer problems easier.
13.
Good. Just plug 7 in for x, and you get 13. That's it.